In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default email layout in the new Microsoft Outlook. If you are new to Microsoft Outlook or simply feel that the interface is a bit overwhelming, this guide will help you understand how to adjust and personalize your email layout with ease. By customizing your view, you can make your inbox more comfortable to use and improve your overall productivity. To begin, open Microsoft Outlook on your desktop or in your web browser. Make sure the application is fully loaded so you can follow along smoothly. Once you are inside your inbox, take a moment to observe the main interface where your emails, folders, and tools are displayed. Next, direct your attention to the top menu area. Here you will see several tabs such as Home, Send, and Receive. From these options, locate and select the View tab. This section is where Outlook provides tools for customizing how your email interface looks and behaves. After opening the View tab, you will notice a variety of layout options. These settings allow you to control how your folder list, message list, and reading pane are displayed. This is the main area where you can tailor Outlook to better match your personal workflow. One of the first adjustments you can explore is the ribbon display. Depending on your preference, you can choose a more compact view or a full expanded version. This helps you decide whether you want quick access to tools or a cleaner, simplified interface. Next, focus on the folder pane settings. This section displays your inbox, sent items, drafts, and other folders. You can choose to keep it fully visible, minimized, or set it to auto-hide. This option is especially useful if you want to maximize screen space while working with emails. Then, move on to the reading pane settings. This feature controls where your email content appears when selected. You can place it on the right side for a traditional layout, or position it below the message list for a different viewing style. This helps you quickly preview emails without opening them fully. You can also explore the My Day feature, which allows you to view your calendar and tasks alongside your inbox. This is helpful for staying organized without switching between different applications. Finally, adjust the message density setting. This controls how closely emails are displayed in your list. A compact view shows more messages at once, while a spacious layout makes each email easier to read individually. Once you are satisfied with your adjustments, your Outlook layout will automatically reflect the changes. These settings can always be revisited later as your preferences evolve. And that's it. You now know how to change and customize the default email layout in the new Microsoft Outlook. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.